Hello everybody. Today we are staying at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, and you can see the Skyliner gondolas over there in the distance, and from that gondola station you can go to Hollywood Studios and Epcot. Let's take a look at the resort and tour our room. We are going to give you a tour of our 5th sleeper room at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. And then let's take a look around.
And that, Baby Yoda, is why you do not eat frogs. The tour guests are here. It's so lovely to see you guys. We are going to give you the room tour of the Caribbean Beach Resort. First things first, let's check out this amazing table and the Baby Yoda, of course. And this table for two. You can eat dinner, Uno, cards, whatever you want right here on this table. Lovely.
I like the design of the top of it, and underneath it looks like a pineapple or something. That's kind of cool. It goes with this kind of Caribbean theme, and even the curtains. The curtains to me almost look kind of like French Polynesian theme maybe. I know that's not the design look they were going for. Obviously it's Caribbean Beach Resort, but it kind of has a French Polynesian design with those colors.
And next, the extra pillow for the pull-down bed, which we will get to. This is a 5th sleeper room, so it does have a pull-down bed, and we'll get to that in a minute. But first, this amazing, massive drawer, tons of storage space here, luggage. As you can see, my luggage is right there. And this lovely bench, and you have 3 drawers right here. So there's 3 drawers. And then the main attraction. Are you guys ready? I don't think you're ready. I don't even know if I'm ready. I've already seen it. I don't know if I'm ready, okay? But here we go. Ready? The main attraction. The pull-down bed. And look at this. You could sleep right next to Mickey. And he's in a hammock. And of course, little Pluto.
With his pal Pluto. Why don't you lay down in the bed and show them? So
It's a nice bed.
It's a pretty good sized person, huh?
Yep.
Is it comfy?
It's extremely comfy. I could definitely sleep here.
Alright. Well,
I'm just gonna take a nap. You do the tour. Mom, just go do it. I'll just take a nap here.
well, you can put that away because I'm sure people want to see more than that. But the other beds, there are 2 queen beds here in this room in addition to the 5th sleeper. And the standard rooms here at Caribbean Beach Resort sleep 4, and they look very, very similar, but they don't have the pull-down sleeper for the 5th guest. I like the lights. I'm noticing the lights in this room. They're so neat. They're really colorful, and the design carries throughout, through the bathroom. And even this light here, hello again, this light here over the table for 2. I like it. It's such a tropical feel. And you know what? There's a really nice smell in here because they've cleaned it. And it's kind of a light citrusy lemony smell of the cleaner that they used, but it smells nice and fresh and clean. And I do want to show you that they have the USB ports in the outlets. This is something they've done to upgrade almost all the rooms on Disney property, and that's so handy because we all know how much we have to charge all of our devices while we're here on vacation.
And of course, you have the drawer and the phone with, of course, again, the USB.
I'm shocked the phone is there. I wouldn't be surprised if they take those out in a future reno because they've gotten rid of a lot of the phones and just gone with alarm clocks because everybody has cell phones nowadays.
And over here, these aren't drawers. It's a mini fridge. We already have our drinks in there. And of course, the coffee and tea maker. Got cups here. Coffee, of course, your Joffrey's coffee. Joffrey's, I don't really know. And of course the ice box. And then the coffee maker.
Get your morning started off right with some coffee, right?
And let's move on into the bathroom area. Hello. So, if you need an extra pillow here, there's another extra pillow and blanket here, which I will be needing for the pull-out bed.
See, they have a safe and an ironing board and an iron.
And of course hangers, just in case you want to get cozy.
And let's see here, they have a hair dryer, extra towels and washcloths, and the hair dryer. Oh, it's kind of dark under here, but just simple, but you don't have to pack your hair dryer that way.
And I really like the future, the modern sink design here. I think it's really lovely.
That's really cool. And they do have some of the H2O spa products, the lotion and the facial soap. The deluxe resorts have a little bit more of that because these, as you will see in a minute, most of the H2O spa products are in the shower in pump bottles that you use while you're in the shower. So we'll take a look at those.
And of course we have the mirror here. The towels to dry your hands. And the facial towels. Lots of towels. And let's move on into the bathroom now, guys. And here is the bathroom, guys. We have the big floor-to-ceiling mirror. And of course, the bathroom. So let's move on here. So we have the bath towels to dry yourself off, of course. And with lots of those, plenty of them. The toilet, don't think I need to explain that to you. And the toilet paper and the trash and all that good stuff.
I like the shower curtain. I like the colors. I like how bright and pretty and colorful. Look at that. That's really neat how those feathers look, the orange kind of feathery look against that teal. The colors are really neat.
And then there's some jewels down here.
That's cool. Very cool. Okay.
Very nice.
Show us the shower.
And open up the beautiful shower curtain. And of course there's a shower behind the shower curtain.
And there's the H2O products there on the wall, and it shows they've been cleaned and sanitized, but you can use those pumps for whatever you need. We have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Oh, and look, for the swimsuits, that string pulls across.
I like these designs here too.
And you pull it across to the other side so you can hang your swim clothes on it, because they have an amazing pool here. It's such an amazing pirate pool.
Now you can hang your clothes. And then when you're done, of course it goes right back, and we have the amazing bathtub. You can lay down and take a bath in a nice warm bath. Maybe it's raining outside and you just got into the nice warm bath.
I don't know how still we'll sit in a bathtub here, because we're here to see things, but if you have smaller kids or toddlers who need a bathtub, then it's there.
And of course the shower. There is a shower option, a shower up there, and yeah.
You bet. I'm excited to stay here. The room is very big. It's spacious compared to the value resorts and smaller rooms. The room size is nice. I am noticing, check this out for me, you can't put luggage under the bed, can you?
No, you cannot, Mom.
It's blocked, so there are boards there, so there's not room to store your luggage under the bed like a lot of the rooms and some of the hotels have. This room is very spacious. It is very big. As you saw in the bottom drawer here, we put one of the pieces of luggage right there in the drawer. So there's plenty of room to set your luggage throughout the room, but you can't slide it under the bed here. You could unpack it and then stack your luggage in the corner of kind of the closet area. Do those doors close?
Of course they do. Just in case you want to close these off for privacy.
So that way when you come out of the shower, you could come into that sink and closet area to get dressed. Sometimes it's easier to dry off when you have a little more space. So what do you think? Do you like this room?
I love this room, guys. I want to show you this one more time. And it goes slowly down. No need to worry of dropping it. And then you could get right onto it, and Mickey sleeps right there by your side.
This is the fifth sleeper, as you saw Easton demonstrate for you. But you can see that Mickey and his pal Pluto are in it. It's so adorable, but I wanted to show you guys really quickly. I'm 5'2", and I'm gonna lay in it so you can get an idea of how it fits. And so you can see that I fit in this bear. So anyone much bigger than me might have to really scrunch up to lay in this fifth sleeper. This room can sleep 5 people. They don't have to be kids. It could be adults. Or if you have 4 people, if these rooms are available, they're available first to families of 5. But if you have 4 people and you have just 2 bigger kids or 2 kids who don't want to share a bed, then your 4th person could sleep in this bed as well. Thank you for joining us for our room tour at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort in the 5th sleeper room. We really like this resort. They've redone the lobby and the food court, and it's so colorful and bright and airy. Lots of forward thinking because there are charging stations in the tables in the lobby, and the beautiful bright colors, the high vaulted ceilings, the fans on the ceilings, all of the tropical decorations really make you feel like you're in the Caribbean. And I am looking forward to the pool. Do you like the pool?
Oh, I'm so ready for the pool.
What do you like best about the pool?
It's a pool, and we're in Florida. Pretty much everything.
It's a really neat pirate themed pool, and it has a pirate flag at the top, and it has a really nice water slide. So the theming of this pool, it has to be one of my favorites because I like pirates. And of course, Caribbean Beach Resort also offers pirate rooms. So if you want a full themed pirate vacation, you can stay in one of the pirate rooms. Hang around, and after this video there's going to be a link so you can watch our tour of the pirate themed room for Caribbean Beach Resort. Do you have anything else that you're excited about this resort stay?
Everything.
Everything? I like the fact that it's on the Skyliner gondola system. That's really neat because the Skyliner gondolas, you can easily get in line there, and you can take those from the Caribbean Beach Resort to Epcot or Hollywood Studios. They're a fun mode of transportation. It's really neat to be up that high and get that kind of view of Walt Disney World and the resorts. And you can see from there how pretty Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort is. So thank you for joining us on this room tour at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. My name is Melissa. I am a travel advisor and owner of Pixie Dust Adventures Travel Planners. Contact me, reach out to me. I can help you plan your vacation for free. All of my services are complimentary concierge planning assistance. You can spend hours and hours researching your vacation, where you want to go, what you want to do, how to do it, how to get in line for the right attractions, how to get the dining reservations, or you can contact me and I will do all of that for you. So yes, pixiedustadventures.com. You'll find my website. Enjoy some of our other videos. I help people plan more than just Disney cruises, all-inclusive resorts, and more. And this here is
Easton, and I'm with Easton's Edge. I do all kinds of crazy stuff on there. Come and check it out, please.
video gamer, everything else. Yes, eastonsedge.com will take you to his YouTube channel because he is my lovely assistant and always fun to watch. Keep watching, keep an eye out, and follow us for more videos for both of us. Like,
Subscribe,
and comment down below if you have anything to say or have any questions, and make sure and
turn on post notifications to get
notifications when we post new video content that you might like to see. Hit that bell icon and you'll be notified when we post new content. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye.